Welcome to Native NGINX Usage Reporting Demo. NGINX Plus R31 has a new native integration that simplifies reporting usage for NGINX Plus instances. Usage reporting is now enabled by default, eliminating the need for an NGINX agent and ensuring seamless usage reporting without impacting performance. To make use of this feature, you need to meet some prerequisites. Firstly, ensure that you have NGINX Plus R31 or later installed. Secondly, make sure you have installed NGINX Instance Manager version 2.13 or later. Finally, make sure that you have set up DNS mapping to enable the discovery of the NGINX Instance Manager. Let's proceed with the demo where we will configure usage monitoring, demo potential issues, and their fixes. After installing NGINX Plus, you will receive an initial configuration that includes the default hostname that needs to be configured in NGINX Instance Manager. SSL options are disabled by default, but can be modified according to your specific requirements. By default, NGINX sends a usage report to the NGINX Instance Manager every 30 minutes. You can easily customize the default directives and add more directives as per your needs. For additional information on how to add directives, please refer to the NGINX documentation. Upon installing R31, new messages will appear in the log. Let's explore these messages and learn how to resolve them. Let's take a look at the logs. It appears that there may be a DNS resolution problem with the NGINX Instance Manager. To resolve the issue, add a DNS record that maps the Instance Manager IP address with the default hostname. Now let's add a DNS resolver to customize the configuration and observe any warnings or errors that occur. Save the configuration and reload NGINX. Let's review NGINX logs. It seems that there is a DNS resolution failure and communication with NGINX Instance Manager is not possible. Let's return to the configuration file and add the correct DNS IP address. Save the configuration and reload NGINX. Let's review the NGINX logs to see if our solution has successfully resolved the DNS resolver issue. Looks like we have resolved. Finally, let's configure SSL settings and add a server certificate to validate with the NGINX Instance Manager. Here, specify the path to the client certificate and private key file. Now, let's add the path to the SIA chain to validate the authenticity of the certificates. Let's save the NGINX configuration, reload NGINX, and review the logs to verify if the configuration is good. It appears that the usage report was unsuccessful, possibly due to an issue with the certificate. Let's investigate and find a solution to resolve this problem. Let's fix the issue with the SIA certificate by adding the correct SIA chain certificate and saving the configuration. To apply the changes, let's do an NGINX reload. After checking the NGINX logs, the issue has been resolved. It seems that NGINX can send usage reports to the NGINX Instance Manager. To view the usage of NGINX Plus, let's head over to the NGINX Instance Manager. From there, we'll click on the NGINX Instance module, and then select the NGINX Plus tab located at the bottom left of the page. Great, now you can see that the NGINX Plus usage has been reported to the NGINX Instance Manager. By utilizing native NGINX usage reporting, customers can now conveniently and seamlessly report their NGINX Plus usage to F5. This feature eliminates the need for installing any additional packages, making the reporting process much smoother and hassle-free for everyone involved.